Introducing my newest design, check it out. This is a spinning dart, and this is how it flies. Whoa! So I'm going to show you how to make that. So I'm going to show you how to fold that from a 10-inch square of kami. And for my members only, I made a version from a sheet of printer paper, no cutting. And this is how this one flies. And to become a member, find the join button. It's only about $5 per month. Okay, but for my general audience, I'm going to teach how to fold it from a 10 square of kami. Alright, want to learn how to fold it? Ready, set, here goes. Okay, so begin right side up and fold in half. I'm using a 10-inch square of kami, but you could use a 6-inch square as well. And like I said in the intro, for my members only, I made one from a sheet of printer paper. No cutting. Okay, unfold. And fold in half this way. Oh, and by the way, I want to mention that this is actually my variation of a dart by Jeremy Schaefer. So you can check his video out for that. And we're making a water bomb base, by the way. Okay, open the pocket. Bring the sides together like this and flatten. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this corner and fold it to the top, but don't make the fold, just make a crease mark. Like that. Unfold. And now fold to the crease mark again. And I actually have two guide marks for this. So you can fold to the crease mark, make a crease mark, and then fold to your crease mark. And then you can fold all the way across. But actually, I think it'll be a little bit easier, maybe, if I fold it up a little bit more. So I'm actually going to estimate thirds. So I'm just folding up halfway towards that crease mark. So maybe about like this. I don't really think it matters how much you fold this flap up. This is just going to be the front of the dart. I think it'll be a little bit easier if you fold it up more, because the paper doesn't get as small. Okay, turn over, and let's erase the crease, and reverse it. Okay, and now we're going to sink it. So, open, and pinch along the square of creases. And then make a water bomb base. Alright. And there's the sink. Okay, and now we're going to take this edge and fold it to the middle. And we're going to do that 2 more times. So make sure you hold the layers down so they don't slide. And yeah, and it does get kind of thick right there and kind of small. So good luck. It's going to fly good no matter what. It doesn't really matter if it gets kind of messy right there at the thick part. That's why I said it'll probably be a little bit easier if you fold that flap up more, the one we sunk in, because it doesn't get as small, I don't think. Alright, now unfold that temporarily, and repeat that 3 more times on this side and the back side. So here we go. And I'm going to go ahead and fast forward this part. And I think it's easiest when you're done with one flap, just unfold them temporarily. Okay, now keep this one folded, and we're going to remake all the other ones. So, like this, this, and this. So we're forming the dart. And turn over and repeat on the back side. Just remaking these folds again. Alright, so here we have the dart, almost done, but we need to make the spinning device. So here's how to do that. So, what we're going to do is, this is actually really easy. Just take these flaps, and we're just going to fold it out. This is to taste, maybe just about like this, and I'm folding right on that point of that edge. Just about like that. I guess you can make it sharp if you want. And now we're going to do that 3 more times. So I'm going to turn over like this and do the same. So I'm folding on that point. And I'm just folding it out to taste. So So yeah, when we fold these flaps out, this is what helps it fly better. Now I'm gonna, and then I'm gonna take this flap and do the same thing. Just on one flap, not both flaps. And then same here too. Alright, and there's the blades of the dart. And now to shape its taste, I'm gonna just make all 4 of those flaps. There we go. Alright, and there's the dart. Alright, now let's see how this sucker flies. Alright, so to fly this dart, it's just like a dart. You just throw it like a dart, like this. So here we go. Oh yeah. Here, I'm gonna go further back. So I'm gonna just put the camera just maybe to about here. Okay, there we go. Just adjust the lighting real quick. There we go. That's better? Okay. Oh yeah. Ooh, almost hit the target. Boom, got it. Alright, well, hope you guys enjoyed folding that and enjoy flying it, and make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Alright, have a good one.